Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So I just got the batteries in for my Samsung J3. So as you can see, last time I showed you guys on this phone, the battery is kind of bulged out. And let me show you guys real quick. The batteries are pushing against the screen. That's why you can see the blue dot right there. See? When I press it on the back, you can see the screen is kind of is that little sensitivity in the midsection right there. Okay. So anyway, I'm just gonna let it update. So yeah, it is bulge right in the midsection right there. Not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's hard to see. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So it says for Grand Prime. So I don't think this is original one, so that's why it doesn't say Samsung on there. Yeah, so you want to go ahead and test it out and make sure there's no problem with the battery. Because sometimes if you buy a cheap aftermarket, it tends to not holding a charge. So yeah, be sure to look at the gold contact. Make sure there's no scratch. If it is scratch, and most likely your battery is used. Just gonna pop it out first and make sure it's fit. Although it's updating right now, so you see, it doesn't even want to stay down because how bulgy it is. Anyway, let's go ahead and test this out. Although this is a J3 Luna Pro, it is the same battery as a Grand Prime. So yeah, I guess it works. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.